So guys, welcome to the live stream. As I can see today, lots of members are watching here, or maybe a newcomers, right? So too many newcomers are here.
I'm running in circles to get away. I'm in the same place. At the end of the day, another stiff drink in a dark room. I don't wanna think, can I be numb to you? You set me free when you try to get rid of me. One day you'll see when you're left with a memory.
So guys, let's start. As I can see, it's time to do the live stream. So welcome to all, a warm welcome to everyone, those who came here and giving your precious time on this live stream. So you can enjoy this lyrics sound as in the background. It's like satisfying music without words. So guys, if you are watching here now, you can write in the comment chat, like you can mention your name so I can speak in front of all of you. Another thing is that guys, as you can see in front of all of you, this is the previous time profit, like in the last time when I created the live stream. So this time let's check how much is the profit. I am using the Asia Composite Index and it looks like that completely movable to the upward direction as in front of all of you. This is continuously going to the upward. So let's start. After that I will discuss another thing. So I think it's the best moment to make the trade because both lines are movable in the upward direction completely. But the main thing is that after the 13 seconds when they will finish, then where it will move, through the downward or again to the upward. So this is the question. Let's check after 3 seconds because it will give the new Japanese candlestick and still it is moving to the upward. So guys, I make. If I lose it, then what I will do? Oh, Vivek Vishal, what's up? I am fine, bro. You say regarding about you. So guys, this is going to be lost now, as you can see. But it's okay if I lose this money, then no problem for me because I will use the martingale strategy after that. Because the last time when I make the trade, I didn't able to use the martingale strategy because I was mostly time, not mostly, like in all the trades I was in the profitable, so there is no need to make the martingale strategy. But here it looks like that I will use after this trade because it's moving like downward now. So it completely lost right now, but still we have the hope because we have the time remaining is 1 minute and 20 seconds. So let's check what will the result after the 1 minute and 10 seconds. गोगोई वेलकम, आप आ गए हैं फिर से. देखिए हमने एक ट्रेड लगा दी है, आप सही वक्त पे आए हो. ये पहली ट्रेड होने को जा रही है. अभी 1 मिनट तक तो कंटिन्यूस इसका लॉस जा रहा था, लेकिन शायद आपके आते ही ये प्रॉफिट में जा रही है. तो देखो दोस्तों, टाइम बचा है 50 सेकंड और ये जो जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक है इसकी 40 सेकंड्स बची हुई है. मैंने भी लगाया है. इट गोइंग अप. हाँ बिल्कुल ऊपर जा रहा है, लेकिन अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकते क्योंकि डायरेक्शन इसकी हलचल हो रही है नीचे की साइड भी. लेकिन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो चांसेस है वो ये है कि अपवर्ड ही जाएगा. लुकास बॉय, हाय सर, आई एम न्यू हियर. Okay, so Lucas boy, you have to stay here on the live stream continuously without skip any single minute for just 30 minutes. So you will understand everything easily. विवेक विशाल 100% प्रॉफिट होगा. यही तो एक बेस्ट मूवमेंट होता है. दिस इज द बेस्ट मूवमेंट व्हेन एवरीवन like new beginners, newcomers also can give their interest. Like it will be a profit because it seems exactly because the trade line is very far. And the Japanese candlestick is also very far, so obviously 1000% it will be a profitable trade. So guys, let's make the another trade. Lucas boy, I got it. I will be your regular student. That's great. Yes, I understand. That's great, and really I appreciate your comments when you write your. So what I have to do now? Continuously make the up trade or make the down trade, because you can see this is the profitable, as you can see just right now in front of all of you. If I make this trade now, like here, it will again a profitable trade. But the thing is that now guys, if I make now, but in the next moment, next Japanese candlestick. Okay, let's check. Well, it is moving downward, but I think it will come back again to the upward. So let's make, when it will move to the downward, then I will make to the upward, because their chances will be high. Like if it is moving downward and after that it again try to come back again in the Vivek Vishal down trade, because continuously moving bullish. If you focus Vivek Vishal right now, the direction of the Japanese candlestick is completely changed now. It is moving in the upward direction. See, from the last 40 seconds, it's just moving in the upward. So this Japanese candlestick, obviously it will be move in the upward till the end of the 1 second, but maybe in the next trade, in the next Japanese candlestick, it can change the direction to the downward. So we can wait and let's check. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as I told you, it changed the direction, but it can again go back to the upward. Oh, it is moving downward now. But it came back again to the upward. But here the chances of movable to the downward are higher. Like in the next few, like 1 minute or after 2 minutes, it will move to the downward. As we count the Japanese candlestick, so from how many minutes it is moving just continuously in the upward direction. So we can count from here. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continuously from the 7 minutes, it's just moving in the upward direction. This is the 8th minute. So let's check. 8 will be in the upper side. Let's do one thing. Make this 3 minutes. And after that, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I just make it. And 3 minutes is the time trade duration. So we can see like there will be a loss or profit. So just wait for the 3 minutes. So we have the time duration is 3 minutes. Like we will get the profit after the 3 minutes. But the main thing is that the chances to moving to the upward are less. Like I'm not saying like it will not move to the upward. It can move upward because continuously from the last 8 minutes it is moving in the upward and upward. But the time is came like it always happen. It continuously more than 10 minutes. It's moving in the same direction like upward or downward. Obviously it will goes to the another direction. So here the time came to move to the downward. And our time remaining is 1 minute and 53 seconds. Go upward it will go. Let's wait bro, because the chances looks like a little less as compared to the before in the starting time. Because already here one Japanese candlestick formed in the downward direction. And when someone follows the trend of the previous Japanese candlestick, so like as look here, it follows this one and this follows this one, like continuously growing up. They are just following the previous ones. So here it is the downward. It will also downward till here now, but 12 seconds remaining here, and it tried to become to the upward. So let's wait for the how much time we have. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining, guys. Let's check after 1 minute and 9 seconds what will happen. It will move to the upward. Oh wow, it is going really upward. So we have 53 seconds in the Japanese candlestick and 58 seconds, 52 seconds, only 50 seconds in our active trade. So it's crossed finally. But guys, the main thing is that like it is giving that profit from now, it has to be remain upward until the time trade will not finish. Like 34 seconds will not finish from here. Go FK, go. क्रॉस होने से क्या होता है? क्रॉस होने से कुछ नहीं होता है. क्रॉस होने पर बस ये होता है, देखो जितना मैंने अनुमान लगाया इस चीज पे, जब ये दोनों जो और देखो दोस्तों 16 सेकंड्स बचे, एक बार इसका डिस्कस करेंगे. पहले इसको देखते हैं कि ऊपर जाता है कि नीचे रहता है. 10, ये नीचे आ गया, ये अब ऊपर नहीं जा रहा। एंड मूवमेंट पे इसकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गई है दोस्तों, एंड मूवमेंट पे। 3 2 1। सो ये लॉस गया एक। जैसा कि आपने देखा एंड मूवमेंट पर आके अगर मैं उसको 10 सेकंड पहले, 10 या 20 सेकंड्स पहले अगर उसको मैं इन्वेस्ट करता तो ये भी एक प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड होती। बट इट्स ओके, आई एम स्टिल इन द प्रॉफिट, सो आई कैन इंक्रीज a little bit amount here, or I can increase like 800. What you want? I have to make the trade of 300 same amount, or with the using of the martingale strategy 800. You can write in the comment chat. Like it will be your choice. If I lose again 800, then don't worry about it. It will be my loss. So I am ready to make. Go martingale strategy. Okay, so let's try. But before it, I can check our today 90 Asia Composite Index is giving 91%. So guys, I am using the martingale strategy as Gogoi told me to make the martingale strategy. So let's try. It is already movable to the upward. Let's check our another composite. Europe Composite Index, what is saying? Like it is moving to the downward, but not like perfectly. It's going. Commodity Composite Index trying to move to the upward completely. So we can change the direction of 2 minutes and let's make it here. Or one time I have to check the Asia Composite Index. 5 4 3 2 1. It changed the direction, like not completely, but it is trying to move to the downward. Yes, it's trying to move to the downward, but unfortunately it is moving still in the upward direction. Commodity Composite Index changed the direction to the downward. So these are not regular in their pathways. Let's focus on our Asia Composite Index, guys. Asia Composite Index is still moving in the upward direction. Let's make it trade. Let's check our gold one. Not gold one. 11 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Here it will be, maybe it will goes to the downward. Let me think about it, guys, where it will move. Because from the last 40 seconds it just move on the same direction, like not too much upward, not too much downward, just on the same. So in the next, after that 25 seconds, it can move to the downward or still it can move to the upward. So both chances can happen here. Let's little wait here, 16 seconds only. So guys, the time is came to change the direction. It looks like that it will move to the downward, and it is also trying to move downward. Let's do our trade 3 minutes and let's make a trade to the downward. Still it's trying to move to the upward. I think the better to make in the upward direction. Let's check our history. Gold. Now it is changing the direction. So it is continuously moved to the upward. Sorry, downward. Jibon Islam, hi. Hi bro, how are you? Everything is fine, hopefully. Guys, you can also make if you understand something by your choice, like, and tell me, like you can write in the comment chat, like you will get the profit or you will get the loss. I just want to be know, so it will feel like interest. 26 seconds, 25, 24, 23. Reading 17, 16. Wow, wow, wow. It's still moving in the upward. Like here you can see both are come closer to each other, and even after that they are trying to move in the upward, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. They are just moving in the upward direction. Let's make
all I could see was you. You're magnetic, captivating, and you know it's true. Sent a smile
30,
and you started
29,
to make your way through
20.
the crowd. It grew so loud, you and I didn't even care.
20, 19. It's just increasing, not decreasing. But the thing is that when I will make the trade, after that it will change the direction. Let's see, really it will change the direction to the downward or it will move again in the upward. So here it is completely changeable. Let me do 3 minutes. So guys, I am making a down trade. Okay, let's hopefully let me open the active trade here. So it's still in the profit, but the thing is that it can move to the upward. So we have the time 3 minutes. Parveen Poradwar down. Okay, Parveen Poradwar. Let's check it will move to the downward or upward, as I think that it is moving in the upward direction, and I invested here 800. So, but the thing is that we have the time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds is still remaining. We have the time period, so we can focus on the 3 minute duration. Like it will go to the upward or downward. I am using here martingale strategy, and here it's trying still to the downward. So hopefully till the 2 minutes it will reach only to the downward. But as Parveen Poradwar, I didn't make here the duration 1 minute. I make the duration 3 minutes, and in which already 1 minute is finished. So now 2 minutes remaining, and in the 2 minutes they can change the direction, like they can come back again to the upward. I can do one thing, like I can make the up trade. Here it changed the direction. Now it is going back again to the upward. So see guys, I am using here now martingale strategy, in which I am just increasing the amount here continuously. As you can see, from the 300 I lost, then I using 800. If I lose this 800 also, then I will increase the amount 800 to 1800. Doesn't matter where I will stop myself to like increase the amount, but 800 is also minimum amount for me. I will think about when I will cross 1000 dirham. So let's wait. We have the time duration is still 1 minute and 8 seconds is still remaining. Still it's trying to offer, guys. I have to put the duration here, I think 5 minutes because in the 5 minutes it will move to the downward. So sometimes big duration is like good, because recently they are changeable here, but in the after like 5 minutes 10 minutes it can move on the that side, like to the upward or to the downward. So in the starting 1 minute we are in the profit, and after that from the last 2 minutes we are in the loss, and 25 seconds remaining now. this will be again a profitable amount. It will not move to the downward. You can see here. So let me increase the amount. Six. It is trying to move downward, but not comfortably. So this 800 loss. So 2 times loss. Let's use martingale strategy and let's make the another trade here. The best thing is that guys, I didn't lose any amount yet because as in the previous time I make too many earning. Suman Singhania, may you tell me the which strategy is the best? According to me, martingale strategy is best because I recover my big amount losses in by just single trade. So I'm just waiting now. Like see, I already lost 300 and 800, and now I'm using here 1800. So let's check. I will recover my 1800 or again I will lose 1800. If I gain, like today in this live stream, if I recover my this lost money according to the martingale strategy, then for me and for you also, martingale strategy will be the best. So let's check. Stay here and look till the end. Like just 20 minutes you have to stay here. Let's check in the 20 minutes I can recover my lost money or I just lost again and again. Lucas, but please tell us how to take advantage using awesome oscillator and alligator indicator. Okay, let's wait here and I will explain also this. But here I'm not going to make the trade because here you can see there. One thing is that guys, if you like avoid your risk, you can avoid here. Like there is no mean to make the trade here because from the last 3 minutes they are just on the same path. There is no too much upward, not too much downward. Like there is no big differences between the previous 3 Japanese candlesticks. Here the same size, in the same pattern, same line. But this one can indicate like it is moving to the downward. But in the end of the 16 seconds, it will again form here. So we can wait here and when the good time will come, we will make trade that time. Gogo is saying that it will go downward, but the thing is that I didn't use the martingale. I didn't use 1 minute duration. I'm using here 3 minutes. Maybe for the 1 minute it can move to the downward, but after in the next minute it can come upward. That's why. But it look like that downward. Okay, let's make guys. Okay, let's. Let's wait for the 10 seconds. Like it will move to the downward or upward. 4, 3, 2, 1. So I make a trade and the time is here 2 minutes duration. So I'm using here continuously like martingale strategy as I told you. Let's wait for 2 minutes and we will see the result. It will give us the profit or loss. We have the time, duration is 1 minute and 43 seconds now. Here you can see guys. Wow, wow, wow. It is going pretty well to the downward. Parveen Poradwa. Parveen, okay, I am speaking just only Parveen. Use parabolic and MACD with 5 seconds time frame and trading at 1 minute. The thing is that, Parveen, I can understand your strategy also, but the main thing is that I am using on this live stream just only regarding the Japanese candlestick with the combination of the oscillator momentum line. Because according to my choices, whenever I make this trades, really believe me, I got too much profit. Because these are very simple steps, and for the beginners, those who came on the live stream, believe me, they can understand these simple, easily steps. Let me explain you. See, there is nothing complicated here, nothing like too many indicators, too many oscillators. A simple, single oscillator momentum. And what is the best combination with the momentum, guys? Because here the direction is 24, 21, 20, 14, 15, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Guys, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and wow. So, Parveen, look here. So guys, now Gogoi, let me introduce with the martingale strategy. And before it, who was asking the best strategy? Suman Singhania. So Suman Singhania, you can look here. Let me explain what is the martingale strategy. What is the benefit amount? As you can see, 1800. I got the profit of 1638 dirham. Let me change firstly my amount. Sorry. Yes, my amount. From the beginning, which I make 300. After that, I will make the investment. So let's 13, 12. Parveen, can you explain? Yes, surely I will explain. I am just waiting. Like I have to make the new trade, or I can skip here because I make here 4 trades, 2 losses, 2 profit. But the best thing is that, guys, I'm in the profit. So as compared to loss any amount, if you are getting any profitable amount, it's better. It's like satisfying amount. Like we can be happily after that. If we lose some amount, then we a little bit like stress, or maybe too much stress. Just think about, oh my god, I lost. But here, let me explain the strategy. So, what is actually martingale strategy? See, guys. Gogoi, Parveen, Lucas Boy, Suman Singhania, everyone, those who are here, Vivek Vishal. Gogoi, today will you take more trades? Yes, I will try to maximize the trade, but the time I have, like finishing this live stream, already 30 minutes I spent here, and like 15 minutes I have. Okay, let me explain first. After that, I will make the trade. So guys, what is the martingale strategy? Martingale strategy, nothing, very simple. Like it is only usable, like you have to use the martingale strategy if you are losing your money. See here, guys. See, guys, in the beginning I invest 300 dirham. Okay, 300. I got first trade like 2 days stream. When I started, in the starting 5 minutes, I make the 2-minute time duration and I got a profit. So here, like it's profit, so there is no need to use the martingale strategy. You can again invest your same amount. If you are getting profit, then always use same amount. But if you are getting loss, if you lost your amount, look here, 300 in the next trade, I lost 300 dirham. Then I think to explain you what is martingale strategy. So guys, I lost 300. Then what I did, in the next trade I invest 800. Now the question is that why I invest only 800 amount? Why I didn't use 500, 400, 600, 1000, 2000? If you use randomly any amount, then martingale strategy will not work, guys. It will work according to a systematic way. Like 300, just you have to do in the martingale strategy, just double amount of the previous trade. पिछली ट्रेड की डबल अमाउंट कर दो अगली में, और बस 200 जोड़ दो उसमें और वो अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट कर दो. Just double the amount of the previous trade. Like 300 I invested in the previous trade, I lost it. So in the next trade, I double the amount which I invest in previous. Like 300 multiplied to 600. 600 plus always add 200. So 600 plus 200, 800. I invest in the next trade 800. Unfortunately, I lost again 800. But I didn't worry about it. I already told you, like I have a lot of money, so it's nothing for me. So when I invest 800, I lost again. But even after that, I was like chill, nothing to worry. Then, as I told you, just increase double amount plus add 200. So in the next trade, 800 multiplied to 1600. 1600 plus 200 becomes 1800. So I invested here 1800. See, amount 1800 dirham which I invested here 1800, and I got the profit 1638. So now you can count like 800 or 300, 1100. 1100 I lost, but I got the amount 1638. 1638 I got, so you can remove like 1100. Even removing after 1100, I am still in the profit of the how much? Even after that, I am in the profit. Yes, 500 profit, but I am checking something. I have to make the trade here or no. Yes, no, go away. See, 500 profit, it's just because of this 1638. It can be like more than 500 if I use the composite index, this one, like commodity composite index, because commodity composite index is giving 93% today's rate, and Asia composite index is giving the profitable amount 91%, which was giving the previous time when you also here on the live stream 93, but today it is giving 91. That's why I was confused, like I got the here like 1658 dirham. Like let's check here, 93% we are getting the 279, and today in the Asia composite index I am getting 273, like just only 5-10 dirham differences. So 500 I got the profit just by single trade, this one, and before it I was profit this 273. So 500 plus 273, 773, approx like 800. So completely I am in the still profit in the 800 amount in just previous like 4 trades, only 4 trades, 2-minute duration. One I make in the 3-minute duration. So duration is depend on you, like which if you like follow my duration. So 3 minute it's like comfortable, because in the 3 minute if some Japanese candlestick changing the direction randomly, then you have the chances 2 minutes is still like it can come back again. That's why use like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, not like just 5 seconds, because anytime anything can change. So hopefully you can understand. Those who are asking best strategy and what is martingale strategy, I think you are understandable. Just increase the double amount plus add 200. if you are losing your money, if you lose your money, then you have to use the martingale strategy. Otherwise, make the bet, make the trade with the same amount which you are investing from the starting. You can use Quotex for more return percentage. I have used Quotex for only one time. The thing is that Gogoi, I don't need to use here Quotex because the thing is that I am already in the profit. You can see I didn't even use my these free risk trades. I have like 5, 10, 15, 17 and 4 for 8. Like 25 trades. I have risk free trades. So I didn't even use these 25 risk-free trades. Like there is no risk in this. And if I got like in this profit, then still I have remained the same amount. So the best thing is that I am not here to gain the profit, guys. I am just here to explain you. Those who are newcomers, like as Gogoi, I know that you are knowledgeable here. Like you know me very much. What does that risk-free options use for? Gogoi and other viewers, those who are watching right now, these risk-free trades you will get. These risk-free trades you will get when you will cross these levels. As you were asking to me on the previous live stream, like when I will pass this, on which level you are. So you can check here. I am on the nine levels. I completed. I am just near to 10th. So in the next maybe 1 hour after two live stream, it can be cross the 10th level. So whenever you are crossing the levels, you will get the bonus like risk-free trade. So I got these risk-free trades, like 25 risk-free trades. From where? In just 9 levels. So okay, let me show you. Okay, so everyone, those who are here, I am using a risk-free trade just for explaining you. Okay, Gogoi, write in the comment chat which amount I have to use from the risk-free trade. Which amount? You will write amount. We can't choose by ourselves because I can choose here like 10,000, 20,000, and I will use the risk-free trade. So it doesn't mean like that it will give me the back money. Here in the risk-free trade, we can just use only these amount which are mentioned here. So write in the comment chat according to these values. These values you can see on the screen. Just write any amount and I will make the trade. I am waiting of your comment. $73. Okay, so guys, see, I click on the 73 here only. Now up and down you can see there is a shield formed here. Okay, so I am going to make. Okay, you can also write here according to your choice. I will make the trade up or down. Write quickly. Don't write by randomly. Focus on the screen, and according to the screen, according to the Japanese candlestick, like I will make here up trade because it is moving in the up trade. So according to your choice, up. Okay, Lucas boy, let's make the up trade. Lucas boy. So Lucas boy, Gogoi. See, I make a risk-free trade of the 73 dirham in the upward, right? In the upward, and we have the duration 2 minutes. So let's check our trade. Oh wow, we investing 73 dirham and I'm getting profit 66. So I have the time is still 1 minute and 15 seconds. Let's check, it will be a profit. Gogoi, it is very stable. Next candle will be red, but it is hammer. It can go upward also. Uh-huh. Now what you will say? It came back to the downward. Oh, again came back to the upward. So, what is the main benefit of this risk-free trade? Like, I make up trade, okay, and if it really will go in the upward direction in the end time, like after 30 seconds it will move in the upward direction and I got the profit according to my choice. So this shield will not be used, but if I lose, then this shield will be used and it will refund us our amount. So only 8 seconds remaining, guys. 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 3, 2, 1, profit. Result is profit. So this is the risk-free trade. What happened here? See, 73 amount was 10 times I have here. One shield is used here, but there is no using for me because I got the profit as we make upward and we get the profit. Our shield is used here, but we also get the profit. But the using, what is the benefit of the using the risk-free trade? It was that if I lose this trade, Lucas boy, so close. Yes, it's really so close. Like it was going downward, but suddenly came to the upward in the end of the 5 seconds. Really, it was interesting. So, but the thing is that we like use risk-free trade without any reason. Like we got the profit, but our shield also used there. And but the main thing is that for using the shield, if I lose the amount, like if I lose the trade, then this shield which I used in the previous trade, it will refund my amount back. Like this 73, it will comes back in our account. So this is the risk-free trade. But they always give like very little amount, so I don't prefer to use the risk-free trade. So let's check our another one. And I think guys the time is gone up now here. Let me make the next single trade and after that I will finish this live stream. We will see you again in the next live stream next day. So guys, what you will say? Guys, it is moving continuously to the downward, right? Let me make a down trade. 300. Assalam Ahmad Khan. You came very late, bro. I'm just going to finish the live stream. Hi bro, bye bro, because it's time to go from here. You came in the end moment. And really we discussed so many things. Today I see a newcomers here like Lucas Boy, Parveen. Gogoy I always see on the live stream. Let's check our what is the history. See on. Wow. You are there. Assalam Ahmad Khan, I was there for just 5 minutes. But I think in the end of the 5 minutes when you will go from here, you miss the what do you miss? Yes, risk-free trade. Lucas boy, the trend is changing quickly. I don't know how to explain it. Ask to Gogoy. Gogoy will explain you. He will explain and he will write in the comment chat all the time. Like it is moving in the next trade, it is moving in the in the red Japanese candlestick will form in the next downward, upward. He write many times. I look the comment. He write in the comment chat. Okay, so okay, see you again, guys. Bye bye. I'm still in the profit, or as I told you, like 800 dirham. Like it's good amount. 800 dirham. You can do something for 1 day or 2 days. You can spend it here. Gogoy asking, what do you do for living? Are you full-time trader? Just asking. So simply answer is that whenever my mood is okay to play and to make the trades, I prefer to make it. Most of the time I enjoy. Okay guys, so see you again in the next live stream. Bye bye. It's really good to see all of you here.